or even Sunil Chetri scores 100 goals in the ISL, he'll still not be taken by a European Manchester United or a Barcelona. Never. Doesn't matter. Why? Because nahi possible hai and nahi lega wo. But the aim is that to get Indians there in their academies. How do you do that? That's at a young age. So my aim is that this World Cup batch which I have, they from the age of 12 every single year till the age of 15 go and play against academies, world class academies, which is not difficult to arrange. That and it's not the end of the world for those academies. They'll play against Indian clubs also. So take them to a tour of England, make them play against all the academies there. Take them to a tour of France and then Portugal and Spain. Now, if my
academy had a tour of UAE, I was just seeing.
So yeah, I mean, forget UAE ना, वहाँ पे कोई फायदा नहीं है. अब देखो क्या होगा. अब अगर suppose मेरा एक लड़का है, just giving an example, he's a very good striker. Now that boy is never going to think that he's playing against Barcelona because he's been brought up from 5, 6, 7, 8, and now my 5, 7 years are playing against people who are 18, 19, and 15 every day. I make them play, and they're doing really well. So when they play against, वो डर नहीं है उनको कि वो बार्सिलोना के साथ खेल रहा हूँ. Suppose he scores against Barcelona or he scores against 2 Spanish clubs. Next year he goes and scores 2 Portuguese clubs. Next year he goes and scores against PSG Academy and Man U Academy. Those academies will pick him up.
Right.
There's no law. The academies can pick him up. Yes, I will not get any money because under 15 you can't make any money from players. Okay, I will not get any money. But if suppose 10 Indians or 20 Indians are playing in academies by the age of 15, the chances of them making it to the top European leagues are very, very high. And once we have 10 Indians, 20 Indians playing in the top leagues of the world, India will qualify for the World Cup. So the aim is never to win. See, people think I'm doing this so that, I can keep on winning I-League titles. Man, I won them all. I don't need to prove anything to anyone. I won them all. I won the 13, 15, 18. I won under 15 4 times in a row. Is saal won. I won them all in a row. So I don't need to prove that. So I don't believe titles are legacy. I believe legacy will be getting not only India to the World Cup, but winning it. ये बात हुई ना? That should be your dream. We keep on saying that, in our lifetime, we should see India in the World Cup. It's going to happen. It's going to happen with these boys, which I have right now, currently there. Yesterday, I've come back, by the way, from, I was in Guwahati. Guwahati mein final trials ho rahe the for the World Cup batch for Assam, which had stopped because of COVID. Now we went back, went to every district of Assam. And then tomorrow we're going to Gangtok, and then we're going to Sikkim, then we're going to Kalimpong, Darjeeling, Jaigaon. Places people have not even heard of earlier. In 24th North Parganas in Bengal, people be going there because people don't go there because it's so far away. Whereas there's so many footballers who come from that area, and you're not giving them an opportunity. So we went and selected these boys, and in the next 3 years, from the ages from 5 to 10, every day, morning, evening, they'll be playing football, but they'll be studying in a proper boarding school, convent educated. So difference क्या होएगा? अगर 15 साल की उम्र तक they'll make as footballers, yes. They don't make it as footballers. When they get out, they'll be equal to any high school educated boy. So their life would have been made. So यही problem होती थी हमारी. Why parents don't get footballers into this is because either they become footballers or they do labor on the ground. Because either you make it or you're fucked. Here, you make it, doesn't matter. You don't make it, there's so many other careers you can do because you are equal to a Doon school or Sanar school educated boy. Why? Because that's what our education standard is in Minerva. Because it's an in-house school. And we are doing this so that we can, because I got inspiration from Iceland. तो अगर वो 3 लाख की पॉपुलेशन में से मतलब 3000 प्रोफेशनल फुटबॉलर्स में से टीम बना सकते हैं, तो मेरे पास 3000 से ज्यादा है. I can myself personally access at least 2 crore people if I go to different states. So what do you need? You need dedicated coaches. So yes, I will not have any personal glory for the next 10 years. That means I will not be winning I-League junior titles and I will not be winning anything. No problem. No problem at all. Because after that, we'll be in the World Cup. So now FSDL doesn't realize that for their bloody league to be more valuable, India's value has to go up as a footballing nation ranking. If we are in the top 5 leagues of the world or top 10 leagues of the world, quality wise, then imagine how much money FSDL will make. And that can only happen if they start investing in the youth, in the grassroots. And that can only happen if you produce coaches. Now, coaches are not being produced. Why? Because it's so expensive. It's so goddamn expensive to take a license. It costs 2 lakh rupees. B license, 1 lakh rupees. How many people in India can afford to not get a B license? Give an exam for a B license. You might just fail. How many people in India who want to become coaches can afford to just give an exam for 1 lakh? IIT वाले नहीं है, तुम क्या कोचिंग की बातें कर रहे हो? कोच बनने के लिए कौन 1 लाख रुपए देता है? इसीलिए कितने कोच है हमारे पास बी लाइसेंस इंडिया में? 300. एक्टिव कितने उनमें से? 150. 150. बेल्जियम के पास कितने बी लाइसेंस कोच हैं? 6000. जापान 20-30,000. जापान का क्या प्लान था कि हम 2050 में जाके वर्ल्ड कप जीतेंगे? कब बनाया था? 2000 में. 50 साल प्लान. मिस्टर प्रफुल्ल पटेल का प्लान 2012 में क्या था कि हम 14 में पहुंचेंगे, 14 में था कि 18 में पहुंचेंगे, 18 में था कि 22 में पहुंचेंगे. ये प्लान है इनका. कैसे पहुंचेंगे? I mean, come on, it's just you are doing some, you can, you know, I wish I had this. I don't want to be charged of AIFF, I want to be charged of the youth development. I mean, if I can do that with the kind of power and the reach they have, we'll be in the World Cup. But even that will take 15 years. Even I don't have, unless they start, they will never reach. And you have to start with the age of 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? Because by the age of 13, you know whether you're going to be Premier League standard or not. By 16, you are already in the Premier League, maximum 17. You can see all the Sadio Manes and the Vinicius Juniors and all the people who are coming in, they're coming in at 17, 18, 19, and you can see it will keep on getting lesser and lesser. So, and this is not a problem here, this is a problem even in the entire Asia. So in AFC, I hold the record for the youngest ever goal scorer and the youngest ever player to play. So that was Toiba. When he was 15, he played, and in 15 he scored. Why? Because somebody played a 15-year-old. It's not because Minerva is great or I'm great. Nobody trusted somebody who's 15. I trusted Anirudh Thapa. Even Chennai didn't trust him then. They sent him to me on loan to get game time. I trusted him, and he became the youngest ever goal scorer for Minerva in the I-League. And then in the same match, Bodo, who was 16, then he scored and beat that record because somebody played them. See, unless you play 15, 16-year-olds and give them power, because if they are good, they will serve you for 20 years. Yes, they are not ready at that time, but they will grow much faster than when you play a 28-year-old man. We need to trust our youth. We need to trust our Indian coaches. We need to trust our way, not just follow everything which is being done in other countries, because everything is not the same here. So the 5 things they actually talk about when they say that Indians, cannot reach the World Cup, one is money. So Brazil didn't have any money. They are the best. Okay, they're the poorest country, more poor than us also. So forget about money. Not enough people are playing football in India. That's also bullshit. See the population of the country, and I've told you about Iceland. Then they talk about genes. Our genes are good enough to get medals in wrestling or weightlifting or in boxing in Asian Games or Commonwealth Games against Koreans and Iranians who play in the World Cup. And we're good enough to play in the World Cup. We're not good in team games. Yes, we are. We are very good in hockey. Why? Hockey में किसको beat करते हैं? Holland. We beat Korea. We beat Germany. We beat Australia. We beat Japan. We beat Belgium. These are the countries which do well in football. Are the same countries which do well in hockey. Note the countries which do well in hockey. Same who do well in football. Except India is missing in that one. Why? Because the guys who are in charge. And now what is happening? You will not be. What is that they done? AFF wrote to FSDL. The assholes at FSDL. Now I want to say. Why? They said to them, please play 4 foreigners. Because you're harming the development of Indian football. They keep on saying football, sports development. They're not developing Indian football. They're making it worse. They're playing 7 foreigners. Now, if I was a coach, my job depends on the results. Okay? So if I have a choice to play 2 foreign strikers, 1 Indian and 1 foreigner, obviously I'll play 2 foreign strikers. Man, there's nothing to think about. So, how is the next Sunil Chhetri going to come? When is the next Sunil Chhetri? When is the next? You don't give him game time. How are you going to get the next Sunil Chhetri? Sunil Chhetri, in all the Indian clubs he's played, ever, he's been played all 90 minutes. Since the beginning. So, that's why he's been becoming what he's become like. Manveer Singh was shit till last year because he didn't get game time. He's getting game time now, he's improving. It's all about game time. Look at the guys like Rahul Kutu coming in and Liston Colasso coming in. They're showing you that we have it in us, man. We can score against anyone. We just need to believe in these boys. Hyderabad.
They are not where they came from.
Yes, and an endless supply. But we need to support them. We need to support the youngsters. We need to have it in every team that you have to play at least 2 boys under 21 for the entire 90 minutes. And we need to, or probably even make it less, under 18. So just see how much you develop, because each team will have at least 4 or 5 under 18s, because they'll have to have 20% of the team as that. And because of that, they'll have to have an academy. So when you say developmental player, they say under 22. Not developmental, developed by you. It should have been developed by your academy. You can't, if you give a choice to any rich guy, should I develop my own? नहीं यार, मैं खरीद लूंगा जाके मिनर्वा से 25-30 लाख देके. क्या कौन academy खोलेगा? And that's what they do. And see, I'm screwing up my own business model. I should be very happy कि मेरे से खरीद. But there has to be 100 Ranjit Bajaj or 100 Minervas. Then we'll be successful. Not one. First, earlier there was Tata Football Academy. And in fact, that should have become huge. It's become zero. Why? Because all the money has gone into Jamshedpur FC. That was the only holy grail we had, man. It's finished. Now Minerva is there. Now Minerva की जगह एक और आ जाए बाद में. When we shut, I hope we never. But I mean, this can't be 1-1-1. It has to be, every club has to be doing this. And if they don't do it by will, they have to be forced. And if they don't understand how to do it, tell them to come to me. I will tell them how to run an academy in profit.